there, man.
With the tail wrapped twice, locked in.
Right up there hanging, young lady. Right up hanging on that tree right there. Yep.
Just come back here a little bit further.
He's very long hair underneath.
Oh, now I see him.
Yeah, he's dark.
They really
He's dark like me, so come on, you can't spot that.
No, I like
But they love to use their tails. If you notice how you have that tail, so that tail is very strong, right? That tail could take his whole body. So he could just use that tail and just hang right down with his four arms and his tail hold him right there. And then stick it right on your cut, and your cut get like your skin. When I come out of the jungle, I just use some oil and take.
Oh.
Yeah, that's just the young palm. That's a cahoon palm, though.
We have to catch the front belt.
They go with stage, age. About 3 years, 2.5 years.
Is that as big as they get?
Pardon?
Is that as big as they get?
Get a little bigger on that.
Just a little bigger.
Wow, barracuda. Sorry.